Hey there, Warren Grozer with Redneck Backwoods Restorations. Today I got my John Deere mower that's been sitting for about, I'm going to say about 3 years. No, 5. About 5 years brand new when I bought it, and then, well, my grandmother bought it and she just gave it to me. She's like, if you fix it, it's yours. I was like, okay. And I could use it around here, help my mom mow and everything, but it won't start. But I had ants nest, which it clearly is still there. Luckily, this is what I got. Raid and roach. Just kill the suckers. Yeah. Luckily, I was afraid to tear the cover apart, but I won't have to, because the hose is disconnected to the hose that goes to the fuel filter here. Well, there's a fuel filter there and a fuel filter thing to the carb. Unless it's got 2 carbs that I just don't know about. No, that's just the air hose to the carb. And it ran out of gas, so I did put gas in it, and then all the gas drained out when I pulled the fuel filter that was brand new. I had to use on my other mower. These darn ants. Die, ants. Die. I think there's an ant's nest under there. But I'm gonna put the parking brake on. Hold on. I don't know if it's on. There it goes. Yeah, it's been sitting. But I don't know what's wrong with it. So I'm looking over my electrical. Oh. Could that be our problem? Why golly, I think it is. Blown fuse. Luckily I have a spare. This. Get in there. Yeah, okay. Got my new fuse. And maybe to walk into it. I don't know, is there any more? Where are they coming from? They're in the seat. I'll take that off. Aha! They're in the seat. That's nice. Yeah, they're in the seat. So, we're gonna take that off. But, ants! That gum is sitting. Ants nest, I don't know what. This is what happens, ladies and gentlemen, when you let your mower sit. So I'm gonna get back to you after I get everything hooked up. Backwoods Restorations here. Okay, I got everything hooked up. Double check fuses. And there's that little. It turns over. Now, how bad is this? Oh boy. I may have to run a new hose to the fuel thing. If I have any. I don't know if I have any. And yes, I did clean out my shop. Turn out some lights. Okay. I got those parts to fix that generator. I gotta do a video over that. Let's see here. Co-op and chart cleaner. Ooh, brand new too. This is gonna work. It's blown fuse, all it was. Okay. Maybe this should start. Oh. We put the spider. Good God. Okay. I'm gonna put that on. Why is it doing that? Okay, may have to take this on and off. Okay, see here. Okay, you'll spray a little. Oh, got there. There. How's that? It works. Okay, guys. That's Backwoods Restorations. Warren Grozer. Peace out, and thanks for watching.